Hey YouTube, I'm Devin.
I'm Carter.
Today we are up here.
Shed hunting.
We're shed hunting. It's gonna be good. We thought we'd bring you along. Deadhead here. It's a bummer because it's a cow elk, not a bull. But we're gonna take these ivories out of it. And we're gonna head on our merry way. Nice.
Your turn.
Sweet.
Not too shabby. That's worth the hike right there.
Alrighty, Carter. What did we find?
We tripped over this sun gun. Little
That's just a little bit crumbly.
Out of its day there,
But hey, we're finding stuff.
I might just keep the base. What do you think?
I'd keep that whole doggone thing.
Oh, it'll fall apart in the back.
Cool story, eh?
Yeah.
You want to find his partner?
I think there's a partner hanging out here.
It could be.
I was down there and he was up here and we're just walking to what we think is a shed up there. And look what we
Guess
found.
what we found?
Well, Devin found, I guess.
Another white.
Yep.
That's all we've been finding today is nothing but white.
We'll get on it. We'll get on it tomorrow.
We'll get some browns
tonight.
or something. Alrighty guys, we're getting a little bit closer. Real steep, crappy stuff hiking. But we think we might have found another antler that matches this one.
It is.
It's another antler, guys. Good glassing on Carter's behalf. He saw that from a mile away. Wow, that is teeny. Dude, that was a good eye.
From a ways away too. Found that just hiking. We weren't gonna hike this far.
Tell them what happened.
Well, I was walking along the creek bed. Devin was walking up above, get 2 vantage points, and found this deadhead sitting in the mud.
That sucker's big.
Nice.
Big old basket rat. Go ahead and hold that out for the camera. Nice, bro. That thing's nice. That's what shed hunting's all about, guys.
Put in tons of miles. Your feet are blistered, dry. I think mine are cut up. Because I wore ankle socks and not real socks.
Dude, that is sweet.
That is awesome, dude.
Okay, let's strap her on and let's get moving.
Keep her going.
We're seeing out, guys. That's a great sign. Seeing those elk sitting here with this deadhead.
You just look up.
This is what you call a good day, guys. Good eye, Carter.
I just saw him moving across the hill.
Yeah, that's good. We're seeing elk. We're in country where they're at. This is good. This is real good.
It's hard because they're finding stuff like this in the bottoms, but you want
Yeah.
to stay up high to see.
Yep, off
See
those
the
suckers
hillsides.
go. Alright guys, stay with us. We've already found, let's see, 4 deadheads today. Only one of them was a buck. The other was a cow elk, so we took the ivories out of it. But we're still finding all sorts of antlers and stuff, so stay with us. Alrighty guys, this is what good days are made of. We found this awesome deadhead and 4 other antlers.
Pretty happy.
Yep. Real big mountains. We covered a lot of range today. And we're gonna hop on these wheelers, head back to camp. We'll see you down there.
Eat some dinner, and go again till dark.
I do believe that this is the ugliest moose that I've ever seen. It's all bald and diseased looking. Righty guys, I just found this set right here. I'm not sure it's a set though, because one's super old, like this, and the other's a brown antler. So I don't think they're a set, but they were sitting here together.
Still cool.
So I think that's cool. We're gonna look around for these matches because I don't know. I think this one's this year's. This one looks like it was sitting there a while, but they were side by side. That's freaking awesome.
Well, this is our camp. Pretty neat for a couple idiots. And Devin's about to
demonstrate how we go and pee in the middle of the night.
How we close this door up so we're warm.
It's a really bad idea.
3, 2, 1. Don't knock a hole in it. Run.
I'm sitting here, glassing up this ridge right up here behind me. And I kid you not, it's a mile away. It's a nice white 4-point buck antler. And I'm supposed to be meeting him in the bottom in like a half an hour. And it is clear in the heck up here somewhere. Oh, it's right there, guys. That's what I'm going for. Let me zoom out a little bit. So I put away my good camera and pulled out the GoPro. Love this sucker. I'm walking up here right now. Sweet. Oh, look at that. Look at the character. Dang. So this is another reason why we hike the bottoms. Not only do predators pull the animals down in to eat them, but when the animals come down and across, the force of them coming up the other side of the hill drops their antlers off. Just like this old one right here. But it's another one to throw in the collection, right? Alrighty guys, this is what you do when you don't have a gun on you. Sorry guys, I don't have a tripod, it's real wiggly. Places we go to find sheds, guys. We found this nice little buck deadhead. You guys want to see it? Oh yeah. Look at that little guy.
Nice and shiny.
Oh yeah. Little bugger anyways. Just coming right down through all that nasty crap. Carter found a nice little antler right here.
Nice.
Little. Emphasis on little. Oh gosh. That was not what I was expecting.
What were you expecting?
Like that much length? Hey, that's kind of cool. Hold up for the camera.
Nice little forker.
Yeah. Go eat dinner with that tonight. Maybe we'll find his little partner right here in the drainage. Alright guys, so I was walking past this and I saw that sticking up out of the ground right here, so I'm like, you know, what the heck? So I kicked that sucker. We got a nice little muley deadhead right here. That's pretty cool. That's pretty sweet. I'm excited for it. Alrighty guys, this is the last day we're here. Yesterday wasn't too productive. But we still, yeah.
Shed-wise.
We still found 3 sheds and a deadhead. Wasn't as productive as the first day. But we're gonna start packing up camp. We're cooking breakfast right now. And we're gonna see you once we start finding sheds. So we'll see you there. A little bit of a change of plans.
Yeah.
We can't see a whole lot for shed hunting. We're gonna see if we can't dump over this mountain over here. You guys can't see it, but yeah, there's a mountain right there. We're gonna see if the fog's bumping over it and not dropping down in. So we're gonna go see what we can get. Alrighty guys, we're out of here. This fog's too much. We can't glass. We can't do anything. We can't safely hike anywhere because we can't see where the wheelers are at. So we're out of here. I'm Devin.
I'm Carter.
And this is Brush Bros. Thanks for watching.